Military Occupational Specialty Railway Equipment Repairer, a skill available only in Army Reserve units. These soldiers keep the Army's rail system on track by performing maintenance and repairs on electrical and non-electrical sections of diesel-electric locomotives. They also support the maintenance and repair of railroad freight cars. For this, the Army will train you to use testing devices that check circuits and power contacts in the locomotive systems. You'll also train to interpret schematic wiring diagrams and railroad car structural blueprints, how to report defects you may find, and how to keep a logbook of repairs you've made. In addition, you'll train to check fuel, water, and oil lines for leaks and proper connections, to inspect locomotive frames and running gear for wear, to examine wheels, axles, and bearings for defects, and to inspect underframes, center sills, and bolsters for safety. Finally, you'll train to inspect components of the air brakes for defective valves, air hoses, chains, and control lever connections, and train to replace air gauges, make air brake tests, and maximize piston strokes. In addition, you'll train to spot unserviceable floorboards and select and cut replacement lumber. After your initial entry training and advanced individual training, you'll return to your home unit for reserve duties and be reassigned in the United States or overseas only if you volunteer or your unit deploys. With your unit, you may work long hours in the field, day or night, performing inspections, tests, and repairs to engine components or its air brakes, plus continue the written reports and maintenance records of any repairs you've made. Serving in this MOS can help you transition from the military to the civilian employment sector. The work is hard, but these are important jobs that must be done, and as a part of this team, you help the Army get its critical equipment where it needs to go. Military Occupational Specialty Railway Equipment Repairer.